Hello, and welcome to 9 minutes 3 days with our forecast. Let me take you through the trend. Our forecast we expect before the end of Saturday, while we also look at that of Sunday and Monday as well. For Saturday evening, we expect the north and the central to be in sunny and hazy conditions, in moderate visibility conditions, while we expect partly cloudy conditions over the inland of the south, while we still expect some prospect of thunderstorms grazing the coast of the southwest from Lagos and Ijebu and environ to part of the Niger Delta of Warri and Yenagoa, and also part of the southeast coast of Port Harcourt and Calabar before the end of Saturday. The air quality index over the country is expected to be poor over the northwest and part of the north central, including cities like Sokoto, Guzo, Katsina, Kano, part of Kaduna, and part of Niger State as well, while one or two areas around part of Makurdi and part of Northern Cross River are also likely to have poor air quality conditions that may be quite hazardous to people in sensitive group category. We expect elsewhere moderate dust haze conditions. Temperature over the northeast is likely to rise to about 36 degrees Celsius over part of Maiduguri, while to the northwest we expect areas around Sokoto and Kebbi to report temperature around 34 degrees Celsius. Around the central cities of Kaduna and Abuja, we expect temperature to range within 33 to 36 degrees Celsius. While over the southeast coast, temperatures are likely to rise as high as 33 degrees Celsius, while that of the southwest will also range around 33 to 34 degrees Celsius. Sunday is also likely to be quite hazy over the north and the central of the country, and the south inland and some parts of the central cities are likely to be in partly cloudy conditions with some chances of thunderstorm expected over the coast of Calabar, Eket, and Uyo. We expect the air quality index over the country on this day to be quite poor in notable cities like part of Kaduna and part of Kano, and also part of Lafia around the central cities. Sokoto in the northwest is also likely to have poor air quality conditions that could be hazardous to people in the sensitive group category. Elsewhere, we expect moderate dust haze over other parts of the country. Temperature over the northeast will still be 36 over Maiduguri, 34 over the northwest of Sokoto and Guzo, while the FCT will have temperature of about 34 degrees Celsius. Lagos will have temperature about 32 degrees Celsius, while in the southeast coastal areas, we expect temperature to range within 32 to 33 degrees Celsius over cities like Owerri, Port Harcourt, Yenagoa, and Warri. We expect Monday to give us some slight dusty conditions over the extreme north of the country, with visibility likely to range between 5,000 meters and above. Around the central cities, we expect it to be hazy in most cities in good visibility conditions, while over the inland of the south and the coast of the southwest, we expect partly cloudy to cloudy conditions with some chances of thunderstorms still expected over the coast of the southeast, which is likely to affect cities like Port Harcourt, Eket, and Calabar. We expect temperatures over the northeast to drop to 34 degrees Celsius over part of Maiduguri and Yobe, while around Kano, we expect temperature as low as 31 degrees Celsius. Around the central cities, the FCT and environ are likely to report temperature around 32 36 degrees Celsius, while over the southeast coast, we expect temperatures to range between 31 to 34 degrees Celsius, while that of the southwest, we expect temperature to range within 32 in Lagos to about 33 degrees Celsius over part of Ondo and Akure. And that's where we'll leave you with this edition of our 3 days weather forecast. Do join us in the coming days for updates. I'm Olubi Adedamola, and thank you for watching.